Hi guys, so today we'll be carving this. So it's inspired by the cottonwood bark carving of like whimsical houses. So basically, this is a style where they use the bark of a cottonwood tree, and this bark is most commonly found in like Canada because I guess the trees need more insulation. So the bark is like really thick. So like they carve like these houses and all these designs from like the bark of the tree. But since I don't have that, I'm gonna be using some scrap of red meranti. As you can see, I also have these added these stairs over here and here. So there was not enough material to carve a spiral staircase like this, so I had to make separate stairs with like some strips of teak, and I used teak to add like some nice contrast, so it looks quite good like. also added more details. So I added like a rock carving, so it looks like there are rocks, as you can see over here. I added it basically where there was any empty space, and then over here on like this part I made it look like grass. So but otherwise there are rocks here.